All right, we got number 40 here. So we're gonna break this down. We gotta factor it, right? So Jordan, like, how am I gonna factor this out? Anybody remember?
You cross. Divide.
Upside down division, right? Pull it out. What goes into both of these?
3.
And
Did I switch the question by 1 page?
3 and
1.
x, right? So x is in both of them, right?
What is like different because of exponent?
Yeah, they are different, but they still can be pulled out, right? Because if I multiplied something by 3x, I could get 3x squared, right? In fact, I would multiply x by it, and I'd get 3x squared, right? Then what would I multiply 3x to get 24x? 8? Yeah. And so that's how we just factor it out, right? We're just sucking it out, right? The cool part here is then we've got 3x over 3x times x plus 8. Now this multiplication we can change to, or this division, we can change the multiplication by flipping it, right? So we flip and multiply. Remember that from 3rd grade. So we got minus x minus 6 over 6x, right? Okay? And now it's actually pretty easy because things that look alike cancel, right? They're factors. This is times this, right? If these were the same, we could cancel them, right? But they aren't the same. So that's it, you know? And what we're going to do is put it back together. X minus 6 over, and then it depends on what's in your book. Your book might have it just like this, or your answer key in the back. Or it might make you push it through. So it might say 6x squared plus, 48x, right? So it might have this. Either way, then you check it out. Huh?
Why did you flip it again? X minus 6 over 6.
It was division. If it was multiplication, we wouldn't flip it.
So because you changed the symbol, you flipped out.
Yep. Remember when we're dividing fractions? 1/2 divided by 3/4 is 1/2 times 4/3. Right? Same thing.
I don't know. I'm not a big fan.
Just doing that. Does that make sense? Yeah. Good question. Let's make sure we did it right. Look at your answers. We're looking for answers for number 40, right? Yep. So they kept it like this. Which is fine with me. That's how I like it. Your book actually made you put it back together like this. So depending on, the test writer, they might have you want it like this. They might have you want it like this. Where it's just x minus 6 over 6x times x plus 8. Either one of these is right. It's just which one is going to be A, B, C, or D on the ACT or on the SBAC. Okay? Next, same thing, right? But before we flip this, obviously I can't reduce this anymore. So this is just A minus 8 over A plus 9, right? And then this is going to be times when we're going to flip this. But before we flip it, let's factor this, right? We know that this is going to be on the bottom, so A minus 8, right? But let's factor this out real quick. And then this is what I was talking about, that little quick 3-step, right? You remember that quick 3-step? You remember the 3-step? No, it's like this. It's like 1, 2, 3, 1. No, don't remember that one? Well, this one's a little different. Okay, so it's like, what multiplies to be 45? Right? Multiplies to be 45, but it subtracts to be 4. Remember that? Real simple. What multiplies to be 45, but subtracts to be 4?
9 and 5.
9 and 5. Say no more. right? Big number first, right? Now you just have to remember we're putting these parentheses down, right? The A, this goes down here. And do you remember what this tells me?
Different. If
They're
it's
different. That's right. So this has to be minus. And the 9 and 5, you said 9 and 5? Remember that it was product and something, right? And you were like, okay, it multiplies to be 45, but it subtracts to be 4. And you said 9 and 5, right? So the 9 comes first. So the 9 goes in here, and the 5 goes in here. That's huge, right? So now we go, okay, is there anything that's the same? And I'm like, well, shoot, these two are, right? These two are, right? So it's done, son. It's easy. Cake. Donut. Eat it up.
I don't like it.
Okay?
Can't eat cake without milk.
I can.
Not really shit.
I can eat cake.